I'm like, I'm wasting time, sign me up. I went into Discovery Day and I'm like, okay, it's for people who maybe obviously need to be sold. The whole point is, you give us the money, we will give you the refund back fully, whether you sign up or not, but obviously we hope that you will sign up. To me, that was a non-issue. I'm like, stop wasting my time, give me the thing. I was sold in October, why are we here? So, or in September when the bootcamp started, sorry. So I liked it. It was great. Actually, the guys that I went out to lunch with were from there, so that's where I met them. So we already made what I believe will be long-lasting friendships. And it was great being around people exactly like me. Even if their law firms are twice or three times more have value than mine, they had the same issues as me. So it was great.